Hey everyone, and welcome to our deep dive into the amazing Great Barrier Reef, a true natural wonder. Today we're going to explore some cool and strange facts about this incredible natural wonder, and how important it is for the health of the ocean. The Great Barrier Reef is alive and constantly changing, shaped by nature over millions of years. This natural wonder is a testament to the incredible power of life and the intricate processes that have sculpted it over time. From the tiniest organisms to the vast expanse of the ocean, every element plays a crucial role in the reef's formation and evolution. Imagine way back when the oceans were shallower, and Australia looked totally different. The landscape was a blank canvas, waiting for the first brushstrokes of life to paint a masterpiece. The ancient seas were teeming with potential, and the stage was set for one of nature's most remarkable creations. About 25 million years ago, tiny coral polyps started building their homes on the underwater continental shelf. These minuscule architects began the slow, painstaking process of constructing their limestone abodes, one tiny piece at a time. Each polyp contributed to the growing structure, creating a foundation that would support an entire ecosystem. These little guys took calcium carbonate from the seawater and made limestone skeletons, which became the base of the reef. This process, known as calcification, is a marvel of natural engineering. The polyp's ability to extract and utilize calcium carbonate is what allows them to build such strong and enduring structures. Over a super long time, tons of coral polyps lived and died, and their skeletons piled up, layer by layer, creating this huge network of reefs and islands. This accumulation of skeletal remains formed the backbone of the reef, a testament to the relentless cycle of life and death that drives the natural world. The Great Barrier Reef is like a giant puzzle with over 2,900 individual reefs, each with its own story. These reefs are the result of millions of years of growth, adaptation, and evolution. Each one is unique, shaped by its specific environment and the organisms that call it home. Some are pretty new, while others are super old, millions of years old. The age of a reef can tell us a lot about its history and the changes it has undergone. Older reefs have weathered countless storms and shifts in the environment, while newer reefs are still in the early stages of their development. This mix of ages makes the reef incredibly diverse, a perfect home for tons of marine life. The variety of habitats within the reef supports an astonishing array of species, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest marine mammals. This biodiversity is one of the reef's greatest strengths, allowing it to thrive in the face of changing conditions. It's so big you can even see it from space. The sheer scale of the Great Barrier Reef is mind-boggling. Stretching over 1,400 miles along Australia's northeast coast, it is the largest coral reef system in the world. This immense size is a testament to the power of natural processes and the resilience of life. It stretches for over 1,400 miles along Australia's northeast coast. This vast expanse is home to a multitude of ecosystems, each with its own unique characteristics. From shallow lagoons to deep oceanic channels, the reef encompasses a wide range of environments, each supporting a different community of organisms. It's like an underwater city, home to everything from tiny plankton to giant clams, sea turtles, and even humpback whales. The reef's complex structure provides shelter and resources for a vast array of marine life. Each species plays a role in the ecosystem, contributing to the overall health and stability of the reef. The reef is a mix of reefs, lagoons, channels, and islands. This diversity of habitats creates a mosaic of life, with each area supporting different species and ecological processes. The interconnectedness of these habitats is crucial for the overall functioning of the reef system. The outer reefs face the open ocean and have strong coral, protecting everything inside from the waves. These robust structures act as a barrier, shielding the inner reefs and lagoons from the full force of the ocean. This protection allows for a greater diversity of life to flourish in the calmer waters. Further in, the inner reefs are calmer, home to different creatures who like the quieter life. These more sheltered areas provide a haven for species that prefer less turbulent conditions. The calm waters support a different set of organisms, adding to the overall diversity of the reef. The channels are like underwater highways connecting everything. These pathways allow for the movement of water, nutrients, and marine life throughout the reef system. They are essential for maintaining the health and connectivity of the reef, ensuring that all parts of this vast ecosystem are linked together. The Great Barrier Reef is like a bustling city full of amazing creatures. This underwater metropolis is teeming with life, each species playing a unique role in the ecosystem. From the tiniest plankton to the largest predators, the reef is a complex web of interactions and relationships. Imagine swimming through a rainbow of fish, their scales sparkling in the sun. These vibrant colors are not just for show. They serve various purposes, from attracting mates to camouflaging from predators. The diversity of fish species here is astounding, each adapted to its niche in the reef. Schools of fusiliers swim together, creating a beautiful underwater dance. This synchronized swimming is a defense mechanism, making it harder for predators to single out an individual fish. It's a mesmerizing sight, a testament to the harmony and cooperation found in nature. Parrotfish, with their beak-like mouths, munch on coral, helping the reef grow and change. By feeding on algae and dead coral, they prevent the reef from being overrun by algae, maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Their role is crucial in keeping the reef healthy and vibrant. Graceful rays glide through the water like they're flying. These majestic creatures are often seen near the surface, their large wingspans creating an elegant silhouette against the blue backdrop. Rays play a vital role in the food chain, preying on smaller fish and invertebrates. If you look closely, you'll find tiny shrimp cleaning bigger fish. This symbiotic relationship benefits both parties. The shrimp get a meal by eating parasites and dead skin off the fish, while the fish get a thorough cleaning. It's a perfect example of mutualism in the reef, and colorful nudibranchs crawling on the coral. These sea slugs are not only beautiful but also fascinating in their behavior and adaptations. Some nudibranchs can even produce toxins to deter predators, showcasing the incredible survival strategies found in the reef. Deeper down, you might see a green sea turtle, its huge shell showing how long it's lived. These ancient mariners can live for decades, even centuries, and their presence is a sign of a healthy reef. Sea turtles play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine habitats by grazing on seagrass and algae. And if you're lucky, you might even spot a reef shark keeping everything in balance. As apex predators, sharks are essential for the health of the reef, controlling the population of other species and ensuring no single group dominates. Their presence is a sign of a thriving ecosystem. There are also giant clams with beautiful shells. These bivalves can live for over 100 years and are vital to the reef's health. They filter water, removing plankton and other particles, which helps keep the water clear and clean. Their vibrant colors come from symbiotic algae living in their tissues, and sea cucumbers that look like sausages, helping keep the reef healthy. These detritivores consume decaying organic matter, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Their role is often overlooked, but they are essential for the nutrient cycle in the reef. At night, the reef glows with bioluminescence like tiny underwater fireflies. This magical display is created by various organisms, from plankton to jellyfish, emitting light through chemical reactions. It's a breathtaking sight, revealing a different side of the reef's beauty. It's like a living science lab where life has been changing and growing for millions of years. The Great Barrier Reef is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life, a place where countless species have evolved and thrived. It's a reminder of the importance of preserving such natural wonders for future generations. A delicate balance symbiosis on the reef. The Great Barrier Reef is a delicate place where everything is connected. This underwater wonderland is home to thousands of species, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of this vibrant ecosystem. From the tiniest plankton to the largest predators, every organism has a part to play in this intricate web of life. One of the coolest things is how different creatures work together, called symbiosis. Symbiosis is a fascinating phenomenon where two different species live in close association, often benefiting each other in ways that are essential for their survival. This cooperation can take many forms, from mutualistic relationships where both parties benefit, to commensal relationships where one benefits without harming the other. Coral polyps and tiny algae called zooxanthellae are best buddies. These microscopic algae live inside the coral's tissues, providing them with the energy they need to grow and thrive. The relationship between coral and zooxanthellae is a perfect example of mutualism where both organisms benefit from each other's presence. The algae live inside the coral and make food using sunlight, giving the coral most of its nutrients. Through the process of photosynthesis, the zooxanthellae convert sunlight into energy, producing oxygen and organic compounds that the coral polyps use for nourishment. This symbiotic relationship is so vital that without the zooxanthellae, the coral would struggle to survive in the nutrient-poor waters of the reef. In return, the coral gives the algae a safe home and the stuff they need to grow. It's a win-win. The coral provides the zooxanthellae with a protected environment and access to the compounds they need for photosynthesis. This mutual exchange of resources ensures the health and growth of both the coral and the algae, highlighting the importance of cooperation in nature. Cleaner fish, like wrasses and gobies, have cleaning stations where they remove parasites from bigger fish. These cleaning stations are like underwater health clinics, where larger fish come to have parasites and dead skin removed by the diligent cleaner fish. This relationship is another example of mutualism, where both species benefit from the interaction. The cleaners get a meal and the bigger fish get a spa treatment. The cleaner fish feed on the parasites and dead skin, gaining a nutritious meal, while the larger fish enjoy a thorough cleaning that helps them stay healthy and free from infections. This symbiotic relationship is crucial for the well-being of many reef inhabitants. Clownfish and sea anemones also help each other. The clownfish find refuge among the anemone's stinging tentacles, which provide protection from predators. In return, the clownfish help to keep the anemone clean by removing debris and parasites, and their movements can even help to aerate the anemone, promoting its health. The anemone's stinging tentacles protect the clownfish, and the clownfish protect the anemone from predators. This mutualistic relationship ensures the survival of both species, demonstrating the incredible ways in which marine life has evolved to support one another. Even tiny shrimp live on sea urchins, cleaning them and getting a free ride. These shrimp remove algae and parasites from the sea urchin's spines, keeping them clean and healthy. In return, the shrimp gain protection from predators by living among the sea urchin's sharp spines. It's amazing how everything works together on the reef. The intricate relationships and interdependencies among the reef's inhabitants create a balanced and thriving ecosystem. Each species, no matter how small, plays a vital role in maintaining the health and stability of the reef. This delicate balance is a testament to the power of cooperation and the wonders of nature. Nature's nightlights, bizarre science of the reef. Get ready for some seriously strange stuff. Have you heard of coral fluorescence? Imagine diving at night and suddenly the reef lights up in crazy colors. This isn't magic, it's fluorescence. Some corals absorb light and then glow a different color, creating an amazing light show. Scientists think this might protect them from the sun or help them make food in deeper water. Then there's the sea cucumber. When it's scared, it shoots its internal organs out of its butt. It's gross, but helps it escape predators. And the giant clam? It's huge and has algae living inside it, just like coral, helping it grow super big. The Great Barrier Reef is full of weird and wonderful science. Guardians of the coast, the reef's vital role, the Great Barrier. Reef isn't just beautiful, it's super important. It protects the coast from big waves and storms, like a natural wall. The coral absorbs the wave energy, keeping the coast safe. It's also a nursery for lots of fish, which helps the fishing industry and feeds people. Millions of tourists visit the reef every year, bringing money and jobs to the area. The Great Barrier Reef is a global treasure, and we need to protect it. A legacy to preserve. Thanks for exploring the Great Barrier Reef with us. We've seen its beauty, its creatures, and its strange science. But the reef is in danger from climate change and pollution. We need to act now to save this amazing place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cool science videos.